Welcome back to the Bike Buzzin' channel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Moto Guzzi V7. Known for its rich heritage and timeless design, the V7 has always been a favorite among motorcycle enthusiasts. In this video, we'll explore the new features, performance upgrades, and what makes this latest iteration stand out. Let's get started. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Moto Guzzi V7 retains its iconic style while incorporating modern elements. The bike showcases sleek lines, a minimalist profile, and stunning new color options that pay homage to its classic roots. The retro round headlight and sculpted fuel tank evoke nostalgia, while LED lighting enhances visibility and adds a contemporary touch. Engine and performance. At the heart of the V7 lies an upgraded 850cc V-twin engine. This powerhouse delivers a smooth and responsive ride, producing a robust 65 horsepower and 70 Nm of torque. With improved throttle response and refined fueling, the 2025 model promises exhilarating acceleration and an engaging riding experience, whether you're cruising through the city or hitting the open road. Technology and features. The 2025 V7 is equipped with advanced technology to enhance rider comfort and safety. The bike features a new TFT display that provides essential information at a glance, including speed, navigation, and connectivity options. Plus, the addition of ride modes allows riders to customize their experience based on road conditions and personal preference. Comfort and ergonomics. Rider comfort is a top priority in the 2025 V7. With a slightly lower seat height and redesigned ergonomics, the bike caters to a wider range of riders. The new suspension setup offers improved handling and stability, ensuring a smooth ride over various terrains. Whether you're on a long journey or a quick trip around town, the V7 delivers. Conclusion. In summary, the 2025 Moto Guzzi V7 is a perfect blend of classic aesthetics and modern performance. With its enhanced engine, cutting-edge technology, and rider-focused design, it continues to uphold the Moto Guzzi legacy. If you're a fan of timeless motorcycles with a touch of modernity, the V7 deserves a spot on your wish list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the Bike Buzzin' channel, and hit that notification bell for more motorcycle content. What do you think of the new Moto Guzzi V7? Let us know in the comments below.